This is you, completely alone. No one watching. You talk to yourself, wear mismatched socks, eat dinner over the sink. You scratch things you shouldn't scratch in public. You do the weird stuff. Then, someone knocks on your door. In under a second, you are a completely different person. Same brain, same body, zero time, completely different human being. You smile, you use full sentences, you pretend you were just sitting there, normally. And the moment they leave, you melt right back. Why do we do this? Why does being watched turn us into someone different? Today, we're going to break down the psychology behind why you perform, even when you don't mean to. 4 psychological discoveries. Each one reveals a different layer of this strange human glitch. Let's go. We start in 1924, a factory in Hawthorne, Illinois. Researchers from Harvard arrived to run an experiment on worker productivity. They changed the lighting, they changed break schedules, they adjusted workstations, and every single time they made a change, productivity went up. Every time.
Until one researcher noticed something strange. It wasn't the lighting. It wasn't the breaks. It was simply the fact that they were being observed. The workers knew someone was watching, so they worked harder. This discovery became known as the Hawthorne Effect, and it changed how we understand human behavior forever. Think about the last time you worked out alone. Now think about what happened when someone else walked into the room.
Or eating alone at your desk, slumped, crumbs everywhere, no care in the world. The moment a coworker enters, fork in hand, back straight, the picture of a functional adult. Something inside our brain flips a switch the moment we sense another human gaze. Evolutionarily, this makes sense. For tens of thousands of years, being watched meant being judged, and being judged determined your survival.
Did the tribe accept you? Did you get food, protection, a mate? Being watched wasn't just social, it was life or death. Today, we don't face lions or exile, but the same ancient circuitry still fires the moment we feel eyes on us. You're relaxed on an empty elevator. 3 strangers get on, and without thinking, you become a different version of yourself.
The Hawthorne Effect tells us this is automatic. You don't decide to change, you just do. Your brain is constantly scanning for observers, and when it finds one, performance mode activates. When the Hawthorne researchers finally left the factory for good, productivity dropped right back to baseline, just like that. The moment the observer disappeared, so did the performance.
So what does this mean for you? It means your best self might be hiding behind an audience that never shows up. When you work alone, your brain thinks no one's watching and quietly lets you off the hook. That's why some people use accountability partners, study streams, or co-working sessions. They're artificially triggering the Hawthorne Effect.
Being watched activates a performance mode you didn't consciously choose. Part 1, the Hawthorne Effect. But here's where it gets darker. Because what if you couldn't tell if you were being watched or not? What if someone designed a system where the observation was always possible and you could never be sure? In 1791, a philosopher named Jeremy Bentham had exactly that idea.